What's going on, everybody? My name's Jerry.
And I'm Molly, and we're with Peerpoint Property Solutions. We're local home buyers who understand that sometimes you need to find a fair, friendly, and fast offer for selling your home.
I know there's a lot of people out there that you probably see on the internet or here locally that just want to buy your house. But for us, this is different. We're not some big corporation that's kind of in or out, here one day and gone the next. We're a local mom and pop, hence the mom and pop. And so for us, being transparent in our process and keeping things easy and simple is so important. So here's a couple key things. No matter if you have an inherited house or your house needs repairs that you don't want to do, or if there's a situation where you just need the cash fast because you want to sell and then move on to the next chapter. If any of those sound like you, we want to help. And for us, making sure that this is a clear, consistent, simple process is the reason why we do this.
We take pride in doing the job right and doing it fast. So give us a call or fill out the form below, and we can't wait to hear from you.
Thank you. We'll talk to you soon.
For your home buying needs.
Oh, she's waiting on me.